Which word means most nearly the opposite of foregoing? A. Below. B. Hesitant. C. Easygoing. D. Aforementioned. Or E. Backwards. Foregoing can have two definitions. 1. Abstaining or holding back from something, and 2. Previously mentioned, usually in the context of something written or spoken. Even taking both of these definitions into consideration, we can mark off hesitant and easygoing as they don't have anything to do with foregoing, opposite or not. Backwards might look like an opposite, but it's merely an opposite of the word forward, and not foregoing. We are left with below and aforementioned. Aforementioned, literally meaning mentioned before, is, if anything, a synonym to foregoing. We are left with below, which, while not necessarily a perfect opposite, definitely fits well enough when we take into account that our question is asking for which word means most nearly the opposite of foregoing. Below could fit as an opposite when considering a sentence like, as we will see in the text below. Based on this, we can mark A, below, as our final answer,